How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy and this is GoPro's latest tech. So this is their GoPro Fusion 360 camera. So this will shoot 8 megapixel. So this will shoot 18 megapixel stills. In terms of video, you can do 5.2K at 30 frames per second. It's got image stabilization built in. It's water resistant up to 16 feet. And this will also record 360 sound, which will give you that full 360 experience. In terms of radio, you got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, etc. What really is incredible here though is this new over capture mode, which lets you basically punch out individual shots from a spherical content, so you can literally go to where the action is after you've shot a 360 content. So again, to really demo this, you might have to go on the website and see an example, but when you see it in person, it's amazing. It means you can really direct people to where the action is, where you want them to see stuff, and so on. So this is GoPro-mount compatible, and it supports fast charging as well, which is great. It's portable, comes with a case. You can put a micro SD card slot in there. The battery compartment is really nice and easy to get to, and so on. But all in all, I'm really impressed with this, and I'm looking forward to playing with it, especially using that over capture application. The phone software as well is really intuitive and really smooth. I was trying it out on an iOS, which again is nice and smooth. Anyway, guys, do let me know what you think of the GoPro Fusion, what you want to know about it. Drop in the comments below. In the meantime, I'm Tommy. This is GadgetsBoy. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and catch you in the next one.